let's have an update on the COVID-19 Chinese remedy that I actually shared with you guys the last time I went live. By the way, I'm Jason Chancoco. I'm your host. I am a college instructor, writer, rock musician. I am also into the martial arts, blade culture, the outdoors, prepping, and survivalism as a useful hobby. Well, we are doing social distancing, but talking about the uh, Chinese COVID-19 remedy that we got earlier, we received mixed results from our prepper friends. Well, we really got mixed reviews. For one, some of our prepper friends actually opined that the said Chinese COVID-19 remedies that we shared earlier actually has uh, ingredients that are connected to shabu or methamphetamine. In that if you use it, it will make you test positive for said substance. But then some also share that the said remedy is actually for SARS or the old SARS and not COVID-19. But then again, in effect, they're saying that the Chinese remedy is actually effective for the old SARS but not for COVID-19. Some of them actually shared to us that uh, there is a finding by the US government that said Chinese COVID-19 remedies actually help some of our COVID positive patients to recover faster. And in that particular prepper or that particular person even shared that he used he used the remedy that we shared earlier. He used the remedy on himself when he was COVID positive last July, and he said it actually helped him, and he's actually keeping more boxes of said remedies for possible reinfection in the future. Now, let's talk about a particular knife that I got. Okay, a TMS build, and let me have a blade feature while we are in this majestic area outdoors. Alright, our blade feature for this session is this particular knife or dagger, a Bicol-made knife or dagger. From the outside you can see that the sheath or scabbard is made of wood, particularly barayong wood, and there is a single bakurong or bronze scabbard lock, and the knife guard or the hand guard is made of bronze. It's a cross guard really, and the so-called barat or punyo is made of bronze as well, and with bullet casing as material. The ferrule is made of copper. So let's check it out. Let's check the inside. Let's unsheath the knife. Alright. The blade is double blade and is quite sharp, but we can still clean it up. The blade is really reminiscent of the knife being used for espada e daga. Now let's look at the other side. Oh, needless to say, the other side is just the twin side of the other side, because you can actually look at it from either side and it will look the same. Alright, so there. It's actually a nice knife for self-defense, and maybe someday in the future we can have a video of this blade being used for Kali or Espada y Daga. Alright, this is our episode for today. Jason here for the Hagbayon channel and TMS Talks. This channel is devoted to current events, literature, rock music, blade culture, Filipino martial arts, what else? Prepping and survivalism. So there, remember, the pen is mightier with the sword. Thanks.